As per request from a YouTube user, I'm going to show my experience of installing the small LCD display again in details. First, install the holder for the device. Make sure it is in the right position. And then tighten the screw to fix its position. Now plug this LCD monitor into the holder. This cable is for the hand pulse. It will enable the LCD to display the heart rate. And this one is for displaying the exercise time, speed, distance, and calories. Yep, it is receiving data from the bike now. To display the heart rate, I need to put both hands on the hand pulse sensors on the handlebar. Cool, looks good. Let me open this cover to see where the wire is connected to. Still don't see where it is connected to. Let me open the side cover too. It seems that it is connecting to the sensor close to the crank. By the way, I'm not an affiliate or associated with the seller in any way, so if there's any problems with your bike, please contact the seller's customer service. As you can see from this comment from a YouTube user, the seller did solve the problem for their customer. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to my channel.